This is what we're working on today to get us ready for our test on Wednesday. These are all just review questions. So I labeled the Venn diagram A, B, and C, as you can tell. And what you can do is you can pause the recording and then go back and see how you did. I started by looking at which color was in all three. And so I went with the blue and I wrote it in the center. And then I started to see if there were any others that had commonalities, and I noticed A and C both had red, but that wasn't going to be in the center, so I wrote red out there. The same thing with the green. There was just a yellow in the A and a blue in the orange. Then I went back and I looked and I saw that there's a white in the universal set, so I had to put the white outside. Here you're going to have to draw your Venn diagram, and there are three sets. One's the universal, so there's just going to be a double Venn diagram with A and B. So go ahead and pause this and fill it out, and then come back and double check before you start to answer the questions. So you can see I filled in the Venn diagram. I have 3 and 6 in the intersection. I have 1, 5, and 2 only at A, 4 and 8 only at B. Then I went back and I double checked. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is in the universal set, and then we have 8. Now let's take a look at the questions. I'm going to look at the rosters up here more than I will down at the Venn diagram to answer the first question. The first question says not A. So go ahead and try working on these and then come back and see how you did. So there's the answers to the Venn diagram here. Now we have a triple Venn diagram where Sam found that 38 people liked product A, 36 liked product B, and 39 liked product C. So go ahead and pause it and see how you do as you complete this Venn diagram. Okay, so I found that 9 liked all three products. Now I have 24 people liked both A and B. So this is A and B, which means if I have 9 liking all three, then I have 15 liking A and B. 20 people liked products C and A. So C and A is right here. If 20 people liked these, 9 liked all three, we have 11 in the center. 18 people liked products B and C, which means if 9 are in the center, then we have 9 right there. Find out how many liked only product C. So we're looking at product C right here, and if we have 11 plus 18, that's 29, which leaves you 10 liking just product C. Okay, for the last one, we have 83 people went to the club, 51 went to yoga, 25 went to Reiki, 11 went to both. I put the 11 in the center. So we need 51 minus 11 will give us 40 went to just yoga, and 25 minus 11 will give us 14 went to just Reiki. And then if you add up 14, 11, and 40, you get 65. And if you take that away from 83, that means that 18 people did not go to a class. What do the shaded regions represent? This is a review. You would have seen a lot of these on your quiz. First one is the intersection of A and B. Second one is the union of A and B. The third one is not B, or just like that. The top one is the intersection of A and C.